Welcome to the final video of my 6-part video series about data-driven dropshipping and the upcoming release of my Advanced Dropshipping Academy. I just wanted to stop for a moment and say thank you to everybody who's taken the time to watch this 6-part series. My inboxes are absolutely crammed with messages from motivated and passionate entrepreneurs who are looking to build their own dropshipping businesses. And the early bird waitlist has grown far bigger than I initially expected. In fact, right now there are far too many people on that list for me to be able to accept inside the Academy. I've also received dozens of questions about the Advanced Dropshipping Academy, so instead of replying to every single one of them one by one, I thought I'd collate them all and do a video and answer them all in one place. So if I didn't get back to your question and I didn't respond to you, I do apologize. There were too many questions for me to be able to respond to everybody. So hopefully I'm gonna cover your question in this video and you can get the answer you want. Now, before I do that, I just wanna recap everything we've gone over in this 6-part video series. If you've watched the last 5 videos, then you will know that data-driven dropshipping is by far the best method to build a successful dropshipping business from scratch, even if you don't have any prior experience or technical skills. I also showed you how implementing the data-driven dropshipping method is incredibly simple to do, and I demonstrated how you can get results fast using the powerful resurrection retargeting method. In addition to that, we went through an actual case study of one of my students who managed to generate over $130,000 with his dropshipping store in just a few months using the data-driven dropshipping method. If you put into place this data-driven dropshipping method on your stores, there's no reason why you couldn't build a successful dropshipping business. You don't need any technical skills, you don't need any coding skills, you don't need to buy any stock up front, and everything can be automated so you can finally break free from that 9-to-5 grind. Now, with that being said, I am super excited to tell you that the next release of the Advanced Dropshipping Academy is going to go live in the next few days. When it does, I'm going to be taking a small handful of new students and teaching them how to build a successful dropshipping business. You'll literally be able to watch over my shoulder as I teach you how to find winning products, how to build a highly converting online store using the power of data-driven dropshipping, including the incredible resurrection retargeting technique that exploded my sales overnight, while still being there for you to support you along the way within my private students group. This release isn't just some abstract theory that doesn't make any sense. This is a step-by-step blueprint to show you how to build a successful dropshipping business from start to finish. Now, as promised, I'm going to be answering your questions about the Advanced Dropshipping Academy. So one question that I've been getting is whether or not the Academy is going to be suitable for beginners or if it's just for advanced people. Now, obviously, yes, I called it the Advanced Dropshipping Academy, so I can understand a little bit of confusion with that. But yeah, this is 100% beginner friendly and you don't need any prior experience or technical skills with this. So this is going to take you from beginner to expert with step-by-step videos that you can learn along at your own pace. Another question that I've been getting quite a lot is people have been asking, why wouldn't these customers just go and buy from the supplier directly? Why would they buy from you if the product is more expensive? That's a really good question. One of the main reasons is that dropshipping is really only a term that's understood by the people in the industry. The majority of the population don't really know about it. And that leads me on to trust. So if you've built an online store that's branded well, it looks trustworthy, it looks professional, it's got great product photos, it's got positive reviews from customers, would you as a consumer go and try and then buy that from an unknown seller on a Chinese marketplace? Or would you buy from this website that looks professional and looks trustworthy? It's also well known that consumers will pay more for a higher quality shopping experience. So if you can create high quality product photos, high quality descriptions, they're more likely to buy from you than just go looking for a cheaper price elsewhere. Another question that I've been getting is, do you need to be from the United States in order to use data-driven dropshipping and benefit from the Academy? And the answer to that is no. As you can probably tell, I'm from the UK, I'm from Manchester. I have built my entire business from the UK. Dropshipping is a location-neutral business model, so it doesn't matter where you're from or who you are. The only thing that matters is that you have some sort of a laptop or PC and an internet connection, and that's it. And finally, another question that I've been getting, this is probably one of my favorite ones, is why am I selling online courses if dropshipping is so good? And this question always makes me laugh because it's a really simple answer, and that is diversification. I love dropshipping, it has changed my life and I continue to do it, but if you ask any of the most successful entrepreneurs in the entire world, they will always tell you not to have all your eggs in one basket, and I'm no exception. Providing my academy to you allows me to diversify my income portfolio whilst giving you the opportunity to change your life the same way I have. So to me, that seems like a win-win for everybody involved. And that's why so many of my students have personally thanked me for showing them how to do this, because it is changing their lives. If you've watched any of the videos on my YouTube channel, you will see that I try and provide as much content as I possibly can to help you guys out. When the video interview that I did with Obolo went live on their YouTube channel, I had so many people reaching out to me, asking me to teach them how to do this. Because as Jessica from Obolo said,
you made more with one product than a lot of our merchants do with their whole store, and you made more with your one store than any merchant that I've sat next to and talked to. So your formula definitely does work.
So many people make the mistake of relying on one source of income, and that's usually their 9-to-5 job. If you want to break free from that grind, you need to have multiple sources of income. And that's why dropshipping is so powerful, because it gives you the opportunity to have additional income coming into your life. So I hope that has answered some of your questions. And I've put together a video page that's going to give more detail about the upcoming release of the Advanced Dropshipping Academy. But if you want to make sure that you get a chance at getting a spot in this release, then I'm going to give you some specific instructions right now. Because as much as I would like to help everybody build a successful dropshipping business, there just isn't enough hours in the day for me to support people within that private students group. So that's why with this release, there are only a limited number of spots available. This way I can ensure I'm giving the highest quality support to my new students within that private students group, and they can learn how to build a successful dropshipping business. So please understand that spots for this release of the Advanced Dropshipping Academy are going to be granted on a first come, first served basis. And if you want to be a part of it, you have to act immediately once that registration opens. So here's what you can do to increase your chances of getting in that release. If you've already signed up for the early bird waitlist, then good, because that is already going to increase your chances of getting in the academy. I'm going to be sending out an early bird link to every single person on that waitlist. That's going to send you straight to the page that you can sign up as soon as registration opens. One reason why I created that early bird waitlist was to give the most serious of you the chance to get inside the academy before those spots are taken. But if you are on that waitlist, you need to act as soon as you get that link. In case you weren't able to get on that waitlist in time, there's still a chance for you to get inside the academy, but you need to follow some steps. Keep an eye on your social media newsfeed, because as soon as you see an ad or a post about registration being open, you need to click that link and jump on and sign up straight away. It's very likely there's going to be a rush to that registration page because so many people are already on that early bird waitlist. But if you're quick enough when you see that link, you still might be able to get a spot. But that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this 6-part video series, and I cannot wait to hit the ground running with my new students over the coming days.